Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 30th of April. With me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which has sort of consolidated really. I mean, the last couple of sessions prior to today, we've had a bit of a slip back and it's not really sort of gathered momentum as the market has sort of held support today. But when you look at these momentum indicators, that RSI up at 70, rolling over a touch. I think it's just consolidation within the uptrend, and you look at the sort of situation we had during the recovery where the market sort of accelerated high and then just went sideways for a week or so. I think that could be the sort of situation we're entering now, really. I don't think you're going to get yen outperformance against the dollar. The yen may well be outperforming against, say, for example, the euro in the last week or so, but not really against the dollar, I think that's going to drive dollar yen sideways. And I think it's just a pause for breath within this uptrend move, and the breakout above 107.90. I think that's more a case of what we're seeing at the moment, and sort of today's candle really does sort of lend that view as well. You've not really gone any major selling pressure through the hourly chart. Just consolidated really, unwinding all these momentum indicators back towards sort of more neutral configuration near term, and the market is sort of holding up. Sort of Friday's low 108.95, that's held today. That's above the 108.55 support, which is sort of a higher low within the recovery. So I think all the positive trend aspects of this market are still intact as the recovery is on course, and I think this is just a bit of a pause for breath. 109.55 initial resistance, and that sort of protects, I suppose, 110 big figure, and then 110.50 areas, that sort of rebound high from February, if I can say it, February. So yeah, I think this is just a pause within the recovery rather than the sort of start of a corrective move. Now that uptrend does come in around 108 sort of figure area today, but I think that ultimately it's just going to be a waiting game really, rather than any sort of corrective move before we see further upside. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.